Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best UK Forex brokers with MetaTrader 4. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Octa. Octa, a prominent online trading platform, is a leading name in the financial realm. Renowned for its commitment to innovation and a user-friendly interface, Octa has emerged as a preferred choice for traders globally. With a focus on transparency, competitive offerings, and a secure trading environment, the broker offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including forex currency pairs, stock derivatives, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. With Octa, you can discover a world of trading opportunities with their broad spectrum of trading instruments, each meticulously curated to enhance the trading experience for individuals at every skill level. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and OctaTrader. Octa's trading platforms are known for their reliability, speed, and feature-rich environments, offering a range of technical indicators, charting tools, and customizable interfaces. The platform comparison available at the provided link allows traders to choose the one that best aligns with their preferences and trading strategies. Featured accounts are available on OctaTrader, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Octa's diverse range of trading accounts ensures that you can find the perfect fit for your trading journey. The broker is also dedicated to empowering its users through a wealth of educational resources designed to cater to traders of all levels. From comprehensive tutorials and articles to insightful market analysis, Octa's educational materials cover a wide range of topics, ensuring that both beginners and experienced traders can stay informed and make well-informed decisions. The platform's commitment to education extends to webinars, seminars, and other interactive sessions, fostering a community where traders can exchange ideas and strategies. Whether you are looking to grasp the basics of trading or stay updated with the latest market trends, Octa's educational resources provide the tools and insights needed to navigate the dynamic world of online trading successfully. As traders explore the dynamic features and offerings available at Octa, they embark on a journey supported by cutting-edge technology, a comprehensive suite of tools, and a commitment to empowering individuals in their financial endeavors. Whether you're a novice seeking to learn the ropes, or an experienced trader looking for a reliable partner, Octa provides the foundation for success in the ever-evolving landscape of online trading. At number 4 on our list is Swissquote. Swissquote is a leading provider of online financial and trading services, offering a wide range of products to meet the diverse needs of its clients. With a strong commitment to innovation and technology, Swissquote has established itself as a trusted name in the financial industry. Whether clients are looking to trade stocks, currencies, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, Swissquote provides them with the tools and resources they need to make informed decisions and achieve their financial goals. The broker offers a diverse array of market instruments, catering to the varying investment preferences of its clientele. From forex currency pairs to precious metals and CFDs, Swissquote provides a comprehensive range of investment opportunities. With a user-friendly platform and robust research tools, Swissquote empowers investors to navigate the financial markets with confidence and precision. Swissquote offers a diverse range of trading platforms to cater to the needs and preferences of its clients. clients have access to a variety of tools and features to enhance their trading experience. Their platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the CFXD trading platform. The broker ensures seamless access to the financial markets anytime, anywhere. With robust charting tools, real-time market data, and execution capabilities, Swissquote's trading platforms empower clients to trade with confidence and precision. Swissquote offers a variety of trading account types, tailored to the needs of different investors. Whether clients are seasoned traders or new to the world of online trading, Swissquote provides options to suit their preferences and objectives. Their accounts are available on standard, premium, prime, and professional trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. With Swissquote, investors can confidently navigate the financial markets and pursue their investment goals with ease. The broker is committed to empowering its clients with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources, Swissquote provides valuable insights and guidance to traders of all levels of experience, from beginner tutorials and webinars to advanced trading courses and market analysis. Swissquote offers a wealth of educational content designed to help clients enhance their trading skills and make informed investment decisions. Additionally, Swissquote's research material include market reports and analysis, providing valuable insights into current market trends and opportunities. With Swissquote's educational resources at their disposal, clients can deepen their understanding of the financial markets and build the confidence needed to achieve their investment goals. Overall, Swissquote stands as a premier provider of online financial services, offering a comprehensive suite of products and resources designed to meet the diverse needs of its clients. Swissquote continues to set the standard for excellence in the industry. Whether clients are looking to trade stocks, currencies, or commodities, the broker provides the tools, technology, and expertise needed to navigate the financial markets with confidence. With Swissquote, investors can access a world of opportunities and pursue their financial goals with ease. Coming in at number 3, we have FXPro. FXPro is a multi-asset, fully regulated online forex and CFD broker that was founded in 2006. This award-winning broker uses an order book execution engine and offers competitive trading conditions and ultra-fast, no-dealing desk execution with deep liquidity. As a FXPro client, you can choose from more than 2,100 tradable instruments to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of forex pairs, precious metals, indices, shares, energies, and cryptocurrencies. FXPro provides all the tools, resources, and features you need to make informed decisions with your trades, and there are several different platforms that you can trade on when trading with this broker. Whether you are new to trading or an expert, FXPro provides beginner to advanced learning material, and beginners can practice using a risk-free demo account. More than 1.8 million people worldwide are currently trading on FXPro, and they have received more than 90 awards since launching in 2006. FXPro offers a total of 5 types of trading accounts and also gives clients the option to use demo accounts and swap free accounts. The trading conditions of FXPro's accounts are designed according to the platforms they are used with, and most accounts allow hedging and use a no-dealing desk execution model. With FXPro, you will be able to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, and the official proprietary FXPro trading platform, which are all supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXPro provides educational resources for beginners to advanced traders, covering the topics of trading basics, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and trading psychology. These learning modules are divided into lessons, and there are also videos you can watch to learn more about trading habits, currency pairs, and market players. You can also visit the help section or contact customer support if you need any help or advice regarding a particular issue or question that you have. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their active trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFXBook, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best UK Forex brokers with MetaTrader 4, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best UK Forex brokers with MetaTrader 4 on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.